All right, my man. Let's check on this baby and see what it looks like today. 11 weeks, not gonna be big, but we should be able to see it clear as a bell. All right. And boom, we put it on there. And there it is.
Check him out, huh? He's a little bitty thing.
That'll do. See that heartbeat getting out there like that? It's a girl you sitting in the back. What you say?
No, my mom said a boy. She's sitting in the back.
A boy sitting in the back. Well, it would be great to have a little boy. You'd have a big brother, but I'm sure you would probably like to
See the baby, man? Listen.
You hear that? That's the heart beating. That's exciting. It's always nice to see someone excited. You can bring back anytime. We love to have kids. It's very good. If we get some kids that come in and start yelling and screaming in their bed. We like the, kind of a whole family experience. Anytime we want to bring them, just definitely do work on that. We're going to measure it now, okay? Early gestation, and we go from the head to the booty. And you are 11 weeks by your menstrual period, and this measures 10 weeks and 5 days. So it tells us that this baby is appropriate with that menstrual cycle, right on the button. Nothing to worry about at all. Still small. I'm going to give you an idea of how big it is in real time, just to let you know. It's probably the size of a pea. Look, he's moving. See it moving?
Check him out. He's moving.
He knows you're talking to him, man. He's trying to come
Look at it. Look at his little arms and legs kicking.
Shaking that booty.
Ah.
There was something going on. He woke up, huh?
It's cool, baby.
Exciting, huh? And look right here. This is a little different picture. This is a whole four-dimensional picture. As the baby gets larger, you'll be able to see it much clearer. But you can see little
See his little bitty legs and his little bitty arms?
Yeah, that's exactly. So one coming here, leg, and look at the umbilical cord coming right out the belly. Now it's not real clear because he's so small. But as he gets bigger, you'll be able to see some really nice pictures with this.
Look at his legs, though.
Okay, you just got the machine when we had him.
No, this one's brand new. I had another one.
Yeah, the
two
other
since
one.
then.